Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now in this video, it's all about how to report a phishing website. Now why I'm bringing up this video is I've been noticing that most of demos you see online, most of the demos we upload, most of the designs we upload are being used by scammers and being used by people that have intent of scamming other people. Now web design is a creative purpose, a creative state of mind in terms of where developers around the world, people with unique abilities, design a website for a singular use, which is the purpose of people using it for a legit purpose, educational purpose only. You get it? Now, just like for instance, you go to the hospital or you go to a pharmacy to purchase a drug. You purchase paracetamol, for instance, used for curing your headache. Meanwhile, other people go to the pharmacy, purchase same drugs, and they'll bring it back home and mix it with something else just for their own purpose. So my main purpose of doing this video is to show you guys out there all over the world on how to report a website, which is phishing, how to report an email, which is phishing, and also how to suspend a website online. I will show you guys all the steps on how to find users that are doing this, which is very, very important for you guys to know. You get it? If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on Big Giant Tech. And let's get straight to it. Now, as you can see in my screen, I have what's my DNS.net. Okay. So just come to your Google search and type WOS. I'll start with WOS. Once you come to WOS, just scroll down to WOS.com. So I'll show you guys how to report a website, which is very, very good. Now, once you come to WOS, let's say, sorry, not this, let me go back. Now go to WOS domain lookup. Okay. Now this is it. Now I want to give you guys an example purpose. For instance, I say, let me use my website, biggianttech.com. I'll click on search. Now when doing this, you're able to see the information of the website itself. Now you can see the date registered and the name servers. Now these name servers are the hosting is linked to. Now if you got a website from a fraudulent person or through any means online and you got scammed already, not hesitate to report this website using these techniques. You get it. So once you come to this site, you just go straight to the registrar information. Now you can see the registrar is Hostinger. Now if you come to Hostinger, you can see abuse email. Now you just simple thing, just copy this email and create an email. Go to your email, copy this email for instance. Then go to your webmail, go to compose email and just put it and put the subject and type the information of the website and how you got scammed and send them images. Instantly they will send you a follow-up on what to do next. They will suspend the website. So this is something you need to do on how to suspend a website. Now this is the very first step. You get it. So this is how you do it. Okay. You look at the domain where it is being pointed to. All right. Now the next section here, let me just take this back. Now you can also look IP information, which contains IP information also. Now you come to DNS. Now this DNS section is will show you where the domain is being pointed to. Then you come to what's my DNS.net. Then you put in the domain information. Then you click on search. Now this shows you the area of the pointed domain. Now this might not be useful to you if you're not a developer or you don't have idea. Now if you use on NS, you're able to know where this domain is being linked to, which hosting provider, and the hosting provider will be the one to shut it down. So for instance, I copy this ns1.dns packing, then I go to Google. So come to Google, paste that. Like I said, this is error. Good. So what you just have to do is ns1.dns. Just say where is uh where is the hosting? Just something like this. Like I say, this hosting provider is almost certain Hostinga. Now this is Hostinga name server, or just come to say which name server is this. I can see Hostinga. So this is how you'll be able to get the website of the person that scammed you or sending you fraudulent information. Now this is very important, and this is one of the key importance you have to know. In Big Giant Tech Media, we do not support anything fraudulent acts or any kind of abuse of our designs. We also get designs from other source, which is from Cocaine, from other developers also. Now, uploaded design is it gives you that ability in terms of understanding and improving your ideas as a developer, to broaden your ideas and experience. So that's why most times we create YouTube videos and certainly show you guys how to install and use that kind of design for your own purpose. Now we don't know the kind of purpose you have to be able to use this design. You get it? So always ensure to use the design for a legit purpose, and that will be that is the goal of every developer. Okay, we don't like seeing our design being used for fraudulent activities. Why most developers go to our website, they'll clone the website and use it for their own intent. They'll clone the full website, and you think this website is same thing with what you see here. You get it? Now this is one of the first steps you to report your website. And the second step, you go to abuse.radix.website. Now this website will help you to unsuspend the website and also suspend the website. Now this is very important. Okay, with this website you can suspend the website. And this website you feel that they scammed you and they're still on active, they're still doing their scam activity, just come to Radix. Okay, go to Radix. Let me just show you guys. Go to Google, go to abuse.radix. You can see it here. Just go to Radix and report abuse. You can see this is it. So you just come to something like this website. You can report a website. Like a developer can also unsuspend a website which is wrongfully accused of being fraudulent activities, while they upload clarifications and other documentations. Now if you have a fraudulent website, now what you just do is put the website domain, then you click on submit. Now it's not a Radix domain and does not fall under our purview. We recommend reaching out to a concerned registry of this domain. Now there are other domain registrars. Now Radix is a domain registrar. Like most websites contains most hosting server get their domain from Radix, while others get theirs for Tucor. So there are different kind of domain registrar out there. You get it? Now this is one of the way to do it. Secondly, this is also one of the way to look up to the hosting server and check to know where the hosting the domain hosted the platform. Once you get that platform name server, go to Google, search on which name server is this, and Google will show you. Use Google Gemini AI will show you. They just go straight to that. For instance, we search that and we got Hostinga. We got Hostinga. So go to Google and search on Hostinga. Then once you come to Hostinga, just go to Hostinga. Then you just follow the same information here and reach out to them. Tell them this is the website that's scam you. Upload, send them the proof of it, and they'll shut it down instantly. Okay, so that's how it works. Now the other one I want to show you guys is still on the website and domain information. So go to your Google, search on reports phishing, report phishing website. Now you can use Google to report phishing websites. You can say there are different kind of way to report scam websites. That is very important. Now if you come to Google Safe Browser Report Phishing page, just put the URL and put the details. For instance, let me just put something like this and .com. This page is not safe. I got scammed. And you click submit. Now Google will be able to look to the website link. Now if you go back again, report phishing, click on this. So these are reputable websites. You're able to report phishing websites that you got scammed with. Let's say. Now you can just click. Let me say, click this link. So while this is uploading now, this is one of the ways to also report a website. You can also come to this section here. So a different section. You come to and this is report spam phishing. This is for Google Dev. We click on this section here. Able to report phishing. Click on report phishing. You do the same thing. You get it. And the most effective way is going to look up and search on the domain and look up to the name server and search on the name server. That is the most important way on how to do it. Now on how to also report a phishing email. Okay, go to your email. For instance, go to Google. Go to your Google email. Now this is for this email is ChatGPT APRL. Now, for instance, this is a fraudulent email. Because there are different kind of romance scam, investment scam you see online currently, which are scam. So what most people do, they purchase designs for us in terms of they want to use it for a legit purpose, and somehow they started doing scams. Now this is what you do. Now BJ Tech Media, BJ Tech, we do not support any form of scam or any form of fraudulent attack using our designs at all. So what I'm doing this video is I'm trying to show you guys on how to suspend a website, report to a website if you got scammed, and how to be able to do it. There are designs we just put out there and people decide to do whatever they want to do with it. You get it. So to be safe, always check up a website. Always ensure the website is secure before you invest your money on it. If the website don't have a good review, do not invest. You must be sure that this is right path before you follow. So we are not a financial advisor. We create website and content doesn't mean we are a financial advisor. So once you come to your Google email, and this is, for instance, this is the phishing email. Just come to this three dots here and click more, and just report phishing, report as spam. Once you report phishing, instantly Google will be able to locate it and block that email. You stop getting it. So that's how you're able to secure yourself and secure your funds. Okay. Now let me just go back here. Now this is it. You can also sign in and log in and start reporting this here. Very, very, very effective. They will suspend the website and take it down instantly. You're not paying any money for anything. To report a website that you got scammed, you're not paying any dime for anything. You're not paying any dime. Okay. So let me just go back here. Now the last one is if you're in US, in Nigeria, in different parts of the world, you have a body that's approved financial and investment website in Nigeria, in any part of the world. Now if you're in Nigeria, just go to SEC. Search on SEC. Now this is a government body that's secure and operates on businesses that are in charge of investment, loan, online banking. So if that company is not registered here or not registered in your own country, they just know that that website is a phishing website, because you have to be a registered body before you can provide financial advice, provide a financial authority. Because once you provide financial information and users invest with your website, if you run away, who would be able to get you if not for the government? So this is what you do. So for instance, you can also register your business with them, or just ensure your business is registered with this website. Okay, I just want to show you guys. Let me just say. If you go to for investors, find a registered operator. Click here to check if a person or a company is registered to do investment business in Nigeria. Now, this is very, very important. And what I find funny is people just take all this for granted. You don't receive email or just receive a message from someone and start investing. That's the wrongest thing ever. That's the wrongest thing ever. This is not financial advice, but this is a security conscious. So I've created videos on this for you. I created this awareness for you to be able to understand that you need to do it the right way. So once you click on here normally, now BGN Tech is not a financial website, investment website. My business is registered. You get it. So if I come to this sec and put my business name, it won't show. Right? Because this is mostly for people that are into financial stuff. Now for instance, I'll put BGN Tech here. You can see no match record. So if you put any website that talks about investment in your own country's sec and you didn't see it here, just know they are not registered. They need to be registered. So if the company is not registered, do not invest. And apart from them being registered, ensure you understand how investment works and ensure you understand what you're doing. Okay? So guys, this will be all about this website. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube platform. See you guys in the next video.